Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's screencast, we will see how you can hide the user profile information of your students on your Moodle site. The user profile details such as the email address, the personal full name, as well as the city or the country are defined on the user profile page, and they are generally visible to all the other users on the Moodle site. Now in this video we will see how you can hide that selected field of information from all other users on your Moodle site. In order to do that, you need to log into your site as the site admin and then navigate to the site admin page. Now go to the users tab, and under the permissions section you will see this link to user policies. Now just click on this link and scroll down a bit on this page. Here you will see a setting named as hide user fields. So let me say that for this demonstration I would like to hide the email address of all the users on my Moodle site. So you need to just select the corresponding fields which you would like to hide, and then you can also select multiple fields by clicking the control key on your Windows computer or the command key on your Mac, and then just click multiple fields and then scroll down and click on the save changes button. Kindly note that this will not hide the user details from the teachers or the managers on your Moodle site. It will only hide the information from all other students on your Moodle site. So this is how you can hide the user information from other users on your Moodle site. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon of your YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.